Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in. Today I'm sharing this delicious egg and plantain recipe with you guys. These are the plantains I'm going to be using. Just peel them, scrape them, then I'm going to cut them into my desired shape. Feel free to cut yours into any shape of your choice. And this is the plantain. So I put that aside. I'm going to be frying about 15 eggs. Just break them into my bowl. So this is dinner for my family today. So I'm going to be adding vegetable to my egg. I'm adding spinach, bell peppers, green peel, one habanero, and onions. Easy and delicious. So in a pan, I just added oil. I'm going to be deep frying my plantain. Heat it up. Flavor my oil with salt and onions. Pour in the plantain. And let that fry till it's golden brown. So now I'm going to spice and season my egg. Feel free to use fresh garlic and ginger, but I didn't use fresh ones. I just used powdered garlic and ginger. Pour in the vegetable. Put it together. The spinach I'm going to put at the end of the cooking. Add a little bit of oil to my pot. Heat it up. Then I'm going to be frying the egg. I just want big chunks of egg. So you see, and do this in a very low heat, not too high, and I'm using a non-stick pan. See, that is it. Very easy to put together. My egg is ready. See, I just adding the sliced spinach, and my dodo is still busy. See, we're going to be enjoying this with jollof rice. Adding paper towel to my sieve just to drain the oil out of the dodo. So my dodo is ready. I just bring them out. Now it's dinner time. And I hope I make this as easy as possible for you guys. This food came out so delicious. My family really loved it. And I know your family will love it as well. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like my page and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you very much. I appreciate you all. Bye.